Every animal carries a secret of success, a lesson we can use to shape our lives. Be like the lion, fearless. Stand tall, face challenges head-on, and lead with courage. Be like the eagle, focused. See the bigger picture, rise above the storms, and never lose sight of your goal. Be like the elephant, strong. Walk with patience, carry heavy burdens, and keep moving no matter how hard it gets. Be like the wolf, united. Alone you can survive, but together you can conquer. Strength is in loyalty and teamwork. Be like the horse, unstoppable. Run with passion, break every limit, and keep pushing forward without fear. Be like the turtle, persistent. Slow is okay, as long as you keep moving. Steady always wins. If you carry the heart of the lion, the vision of the eagle, the strength of the elephant, the unity of the wolf, the energy of the horse, and the persistence of the turtle, then nothing in this world can stop you.